Prodigy is a resource for teachers to use in the classroom for math. The website is www.prodigygame.com. Once you sign in and create your class, it'll give you a class code that your students can type in when they join so that they can get the assignments that you put on here for them. But if I go to the planner section on the side, I can click create and I can assign an assignment based on whatever standards I've been working on for that day. So let's say I've been working on area, and we haven't gotten to the word problems yet, but we've been finding the dimensions. I can go next. I can choose how many questions I would like for them to answer. I can name the assignment, and I can choose which students I'd like to work on this. So this is a good differentiation tool because I can say students are ready for this, but others may not have been able to grasp the area model yet. Then I can give some students this assignment and others could work on a different assignment. So I choose my start and end date. So let's say I want to start it today, end it tomorrow. I click create. Now when my students sign on, it'll give them questions that have to do with area. What's also cool about Prodigy is on assignments students have worked on before, I can view the report, which will show me which questions my students have answered correctly and incorrectly for all of the questions that they've had. And it also breaks it down question by question, so I can see what each student answered for each one. So for question one of my students answered C rather than B, so I can decide what do I need to go back and reteach, which is really helpful with differentiation and things like that. Students are able to work together and help each other out, or they could work separately and they battle each other to answer math questions, and they are working together but separately, so they're working on maybe the same assignment or different assignments, and they're still getting the math instruction and review that they need. My students loved using Prodigy in the classroom the last 2 years, so it's something that I think all teachers could really benefit from using in their classroom.